Hi guys, it's Beige. Hi guys, it's Beige. Today I'm showing you how I did this eye makeup. I hope you all enjoy. Is this recording? I just want to say that I didn't do my hair because I'm too lazy and I think I'm gonna look so glamorous by the end of this that it won't even matter. I'm so stupid. Look, we are going to start with what? Color correcting, because this has showed up, and we don't want her here. I want to use this green color corrector, just tiny brush and little taps, just where you need it. I just love it when like random spots like this show up and then I try to correct it and my whole face suddenly looks red. Now really the point is to color correct the spots that foundation won't cover if you don't want to wear too much foundation, you know, which we're not about that life anyways. For the color corrected places, we want to set with translucent powder. The only place I wouldn't set is probably the nose area. I look absolutely insane. Who told me this is a good way to be on camera? I am using some primer now. And just be mindful of the places you color corrected. You might not want to rub too much on those places. What I should have done is use the primer before I color corrected, but I'm a dumb idiot. Now I'm going to do my foundation mixture. Lately I'm using all of these colors and formulas to make my foundation. So let's do that. These are a little lighter coverage. These are heavier in coverage, but I want an in-between. Let's hope it's not too light. I'm pretty much Casper. I stopped self-tanning and I regret it. I want to tan again. It's just my lazy procrastinating self does not agree with the statement. Dark shade of foundation I'm going to use to darken up the perimeter of the face. Not even foundation, it's tinted skin perfector. It is very light in formula, so it blends out extremely easy. Let's see if we can build. Oh, actually we can. It looks really gorgeous on my skin. Look, I'm chaotic today. It's late. It's like 9 p.m. and I don't know why I'm recording the makeup tutorial at 9 p.m. Concealer. I'm gonna do the triangle shape because today's look is quite of a bad bitch look. So I want to emulate that with concealer. Oh no, I'm too pale. I mixed my foundation too light. This is going to be the most chaotic tutorial you have ever experienced. But I gotta darken up by a lot. Oh, this is giving drag now. Maybe that's what I'm going for. But trust the process, okay? This is going to work out fine. Even I don't believe that. I'm gonna use my new trick, which is this pressed powder with a powder puff. Take it on the powder puff, take off the excess on the back of your hand and set whatever you want set. And today we want to be set. There are some days in which you don't want to be this matte. Not today. Today is a matte day. I'm going to layer some powder under the eyes to catch our fallout. Okay, this bottom one I'm taking off straight away because I don't like when it sits too long. This is the most chaos I was involved in for a long time. Today we are doing this eyeshadow. Posh Peacock it's called. It's one of the most vibrant blues I own and I want to do a vibrant blue today. I don't want just blue all over the lid and that's it. That's boring. But if we add it here and we're gonna cut the crease, it might be a little different. I really want this look to be very focused on one eyeshadow, so I'm gonna try to build as much intensity as possible with this. I grab my trusty blending brush and I'm just gonna blend around this edge because this one we're gonna cut the crease. You want to go back to your brush to add more intensity. I might add a liner here. We'll see how it goes. I want to cut this to make it nice and small and thin. Now, you need something with a straight edge, and you want a brush that can pack in the color. So, honey, we are going to do quite an extreme angle. I'm kind of aiming from the corner of my nose. And this will be quite skinny. It will be long but skinny. Like that. Oh, this betrayed me. This cotton, it's because it's Kim Kardashian. Ooh. I'm actually going to just take a tiny brush like this and try to fix this line. Look, it's not gonna be the prettiest one, but it's going to do the work. Look, I don't know how this looks because I'm far away from the mirror and I'm pretty much blind, so I'm trusting that it's nice. Now the rest of the eye. Look, you don't want to get caught up in this looking like a liner. This should blend out onto the lid. I'm just gonna take this brush and blend it. Okay, so this is kind of what I'm looking for. Blended, but not really, you know, my aesthetic, like good, but not really. All right, let me do the other side. Look, if you don't look too closely, it's the same on both sides, okay? Well, I do not have a brush that will work for this, that's clean. So I'm gonna keep using the small one. This will work too, but it's just gonna be longer. I'm gonna do the underneath. And what's gonna happen is the underneath is going to start to come out this way. I don't want you to worry if you go too far or wrong, because you can just correct it with concealer, you know, that's why concealer is there. I'm gonna re-intensify some of this eyeshadow close to the lash line. Next, I'm gonna use one of my favorite things. This is a highlighter palette, but it's a weird color highlighter palette. So I love to use it for eyeshadow looks. So this is the blue one. It's gonna be perfect for this. It's fucking blinding. This is a gorgeous shade. This starts to be gorgeous. What we need to do is use some of that concealer right here to clean up whatever you want to be cleaned up from here. This is very descriptive, but you know, the point is it should not go too low, this eyeshadow. Now, I wanted to use a black eyeliner, but I have a blue one that will look gorgeous. Let me actually just this off. How long did I have this and nobody told me about it? See, I can't see. This is the problem. I'm just going to draw a line. You want to commit. You don't want to just, but you want to commit and just do it. Look, if it's not even, it's not even. Like, it's makeup, it comes off. Next time it will be more even, okay? And I really want to do this cut crease. I need to take a tiny brush and correct a little bit of this shape. Mistakes are part of doing this, so don't get discouraged if you get little mishap. And most of the time you can't even tell if this is supposed to be like this or did I fuck up. And I'm gonna do the inner corner too. This might become a lot longer once I do the other side, and I'll see how much I need to correct it. So stay tuned. Okay, this is good enough for me. As you can see, it's not perfect. Eyeliner, and especially graphic eyeliner, is one of those things that sends me to a frenzy when I do it, because I physically cannot do it straight on both sides. So this is as straight as I personally will be able to get it. I do think I'm going to add a little black though, just to the edge here, and not really to be defined, but just to darken up this corner. This blue is almost black, but it just lacks this intensity that I want there. I am contemplating if I should add some glitter to this. That would look really glam. Do I really want to open a box of glitter? No. The answer is always no. I really want to do the eyebrows, but I'm also kind of scared to do the eyebrows because now I don't have any. So this look will be determined by how straight or crooked are my eyebrows. My Milani and Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. This is the best eyebrow brush, especially if you have no brow. I love to sketch out first. I'm gonna fill in later because it's easier to take it off if it's fucked up. Do you like changing your eyebrow according to the mood that you're in or according to what look you're going for? I do. Although it does take longer to do your makeup. I decided I am going to add a little bit of sparkly because I'm feeling kind of sad at the moment because not everything went my way, and sparkly always helps. I have to redo the eyeliner there, blue eyeliner for the waterline. This one is also sparkly, so I don't know how that's going to go. Should I put the rhinestones on or not? Maybe just one in the corner. I don't think I can help myself. The thing is, once I have the glue open, the corner of my eye is never safe. Oh, sparkle, sparkle. Just one, right? Just one. More? No, one. One is enough. I'm going to put some sparkly highlight also underneath this blue. It's like a duochrome. I'm just gonna take it here also. Cannot help it. I really cannot help it. If you don't take this away, I might put it all over my face. I'm gonna do the most basic ass lip for this because I feel like this is a lot on the eye. So we really want nude on the lip. I think I want to fill this in with this pinky nude lip oil. I know this is gonna make it a little more pink, but if I go for a blush that matches, it would be good, right? Let me just darken up my contours with this, just a little bit. We cannot do too much blush, but I think this one will look gorgeous if it's used in the right amount. A little more. I can go overboard with blush so easily, but I just love it. But then I'll look like a clown. So hard to decide. Clown, more blush, clown, more. Let me put my lashes on, do my hair, and I'll be right back. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below if you like this look. Subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials. Till next time.